You got it?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Come
Go
here.
back over there.
Robbie, come here. Come on, let's go this way.
Little Robbie, 15 months old and walking. Go give it to Grandma. Yeah?
Come on.
Oh, well, you're running.
Don't run.
You're running.
Don't run.
Oh!
You know what?
Come on.
I don't give a shit. A kid, he walks a lot faster than the average kid that starts walking.
Yeah, because he took his time and
Huh?
Don't run,
he
baby.
took his time.
Slow down. See, I'm afraid you're gonna fall. No, Robbie. Go slow, baby. See what happens?
Here, let me see what you do. You got it?